The high potassium content of bananas is ideal for improving circulation throughout the body, including the penis. And watermelon, for its part, contains citrulline, which relaxes blood vessels, just like Viagra does. Banana. As topical as true. The high potassium content of this wonderful fruit is capable of working wonders on your erections. It improves circulation throughout the body, which logically will get more blood where it needs to go. A banana a day keeps morale high. Watermelon. Look how good, now the season begins, and we can get rid of this fruit. And achieve Champions League erections, thanks to the L-arginine it contains. Come on, thanks to this information, your after dinners can become a complete party. Watermelon for dessert and directly to the cot. And through the big door. What if a man comes a lot of watermelon? Consuming about 3 or 4 slices of watermelon a day relaxes and dilates the blood vessels, improving blood flow to the penis and giving erections more strength, acts just like Viagra, but in a natural way and without side effects for the organism.